So I want to talk to you a little bit about the schedule. It's at the end of your syllabus, and you can see I've actually split it into weeks, week 1, week 2, etc. And you would see that each week is split into 2 sections because we do have class 2 days a week. So for example, here's the guiding questions. So for the very first day of class, which is 8:28, and then we don't meet again until the following Wednesday, 9/4. When you have something due for that class, it's under course assignments. So this article on Blackboard is due for 8/4. That's why it's lined up, or 9/4. That's why it's lined up here. And that is why, and I want it read before you come to class, because we're going to be doing something with that article or that reading in class. And you'll see 9/9, 9/11. This is the guiding question for both classes. The first day, 9/9, you don't have any readings, but the second day you have 2 readings due. And on this side, you'll see you have an assignment due that day. And I try to put it's due the second, just to clarify, it's due 9/11. I'm going to keep scrolling down here. And I just want to give you a couple. Here you go. There's nothing due the first day of this this week, but you'll have something due the second. And actually, that research discussion, only one person will be doing that each week. Somebody will be signing up for that, so all through the semester. So if you did it the first week, then you're done the rest of the week. So same with the strategy lesson. You and a partner will be signing up. And once you're done with that strategy lesson, even though you will see it recur every single week on the first day of the week, once you're done with it, you're done. So you only have to do that once. A couple of other things I just want to point out to you. So again, each week, here's our guiding question, what you're going to do for the Monday, what you're going to do for Wednesday, what is due each one of those days. And again, it looks like a lot each week, but again, remember, you're only doing the research discussion once during the semester and the strategy lesson once during the semester. So the other days you see it there, you're not responsible. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Anytime there's a reading that's not from your textbook, it will show up on Blackboard. So for example, on 11/4, or actually this will be due on 11/6, there are 2 articles, and I will make sure you have those on Blackboard. I do want to point out that we will have no class on 11/18, and we also don't have class on 11/27 because that's Thanksgiving, or the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. But we will have class that Monday. So I did want to, the final is going to be online. So our last time we will meet together is 12/4, and then you will do your final online. So take a look at this. Please note that it does say tentative because things are going to come up. Let's hope we don't deal with snow, but maybe something goes late and we have to, or longer, and we have to move it up. But so that's why it says subject to change. So I hope that explains our schedule.
I made my hotel reservation.
I'm trying to turn this off. How do I stop turning this off?